pretty sure a lot of you guys noticed I haven't put videos out regularly. I've been getting a lot of questions about that, actually. So a couple months ago, I decided to sell the Unimog, and that actually came as a little bit of a surprise to everybody, myself included. And you know, really, it just started to become too much between that and the Aston Martin and working on this S2000. So I decided I could give you guys some better content by having less vehicles, but do more videos on those vehicles instead of like, you know, like just a whole bunch of shuffle. And that's kind of what I decided. And then I'm good, so don't worry, but I got sick for a while, and while it wasn't anything, you know, debilitating, I was still able to work, fortunately. I was kind of down on energy, and there was some days where even going to the gym was a struggle. I'm starting to get better, you know, Exhibit A, you know, I feel pretty good. You know, I want to start putting videos out a little more regularly, but I appreciate all my subscribers, and I know I don't owe you guys anything, but I figured at the very least you'd be curious to see what else I was up to, and, well, there you have it. Alright, so we got a pretty small list of to-do things at this point, but the biggest one on that list is going to be the convertible top. So, while I'm on my way to getting that sorted out, I figured I'd at least tell you guys a little bit more about the car. So, my friend Josh is the one that painted the car. You can follow him on Instagram at Shoals in Session. He's the one that painted the car. He worked with my budget. He worked with my timeline. We had a fair agreement on how much the price would be, and I think given the price range, we got the best paint job on planet Earth. Wait until you guys see the close-ups of this paint job. But anyway, let's go get the top on. So as you might have imagined, I'm still kind of getting some pieces together on the S2000, and one of them is this radio piece, which wasn't that hard to find, fortunately. Such a nice day to go for a little ride. So there is one more thing I forgot to show you guys, and I guess I'm going to show you that right now. There it is. It's my white Honda S2000. Just got back from paint, looking so good. Alright, so now that I have the car all clean and the sun isn't shining directly on it at this moment, I just want to kind of show you guys the car so you can see what kind of job that my friend Josh did on it. Josh is the one that painted it. We also had a look at all the panel gaps, and as you guys can see, he did a really good job, and I already said it before, I'll say it again, probably the best paint job on planet Earth for the budget that I gave him.